Good evening, boys and girls. Our story tonight is Construction Site on Christmas Night by Sherri Duskey Rinker. If you know the Good Night construction site story, it's a Christmas one. Down in the big construction site, there's work to do for Christmas night. The last big project of the year. The team is slamming into gear. So much is riding on the crew. They have a major job to do. A special house is being built. The trucks are racing at full tilt. That means they're going really fast. This important work can't wait. They'll get it done and make it great. Bulldozer's deadline is almost here. He has a lot of ground to clear. Working at full speed all day. Roar. He pushes hard to clear the way. For hours he powers this way and that and clears the site in no time flat. He turns away to end his shift, but in his way, a massive gift. Thank you. With a cable ribbon from the yard, it's topped off with a thank you card. An awesome carbon steel blade. Custom paint job, custom made. Merry Christmas, Bulldozer. Good night. So he got a new blade for his bulldozer. That seems an appropriate gift for a bulldozer. Excavator has no time to spare. He's rolling, digging everywhere. Scooping, chugging at full blast. Vrrr. He digs up the foundation fast. Clouds roll in, a brisk wind blows. A snowflake falls right on his nose. The clock in town begins to chime. His job is done, right and right on time. As excavator rolls away, slowing down to end his day, he stops and can't believe his eyes. Someone left a big surprise. The card says, "Thanks for all you do," and it's simply signed, "From our crew." Look, a shiny yellow scoop. His old one had a broken tooth. Merry Christmas, excavator. Good night. If you look right here, you can see where he has a broken tooth, so now he'll have new teeth on all of it, and it'll be nice and new and awesome. Cement mixer has concrete to pour. He lays the foundation, walls, and floor. And then he churns another load that will be used to make a road. He twirls and rolls, he spins, he pours. In record time, he's done his chores. He rolls away to take a bath, but something's sitting in his path. A giant box, his name's on top. He rumbles to a grinding stop. Screech! No card, no note. Who is it from? Who could have left a brand new drum? His drum is old, beat up, and plain, but this new one's like a candy cane. Merry Christmas, cement mixer. Good night. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Looks awesome, doesn't it? An icy wind blows in his face. but dump truck revs to keep the pace. His back is sore, his tires are shot, but dump truck gives it all he's got, and soon there's nothing left to haul. He slows his engine to a crawl. If his tires are shot, that means they're no good anymore. He turns to go, but stops in awe. The biggest box he ever saw. He blows his stack, his engine fires. Vroom, vroom. It's a fresh new set of tires. Midnight black with thick, tough tread. The truck's old ones in his bed. Merry Christmas, dump truck. Good night. So we put the new ones on, put the old ones in to go dump them later. How exciting. With whipping winds and loads that sway, whoosh. Crane's job is tough today, but he keeps working right along, bravely lifting, firm and strong. It's getting darker with each pass, but Crane's truck work is done at last. I can't imagine lifting something like that up in the wind. Gotta know what you're doing. The job's all finished. One last stop. Crane truck puts a star on top. But Crane has one last special thing to lift. Someone's left a special gift. Rock'em Sock'em Wrecking Ball. It's red and green and 10 feet tall. Merry Christmas, Crane truck. Good night. Look at that. It looks like a fancy ornament, but it's a wrecking ball. Engines rev and bells ring out. Cling, cling, sirens blare and air horns shout. Woo, honk! Down the road and up the drive, a fleet of bright red trucks arrive. Driving proudly, looking fine, pumpers, ladders, all in line. Cars and rescue trucks join too, bright and shiny, rolling through. It's the town's new fire crew. Is that what they were building? On this nearly Christmas night, they find a new home, built just right. And with a joyful roll and spin, the fire trucks move right on in. Turn off ignition, settle down, and look out at the sleepy town. It does, it says fire station. So that was the new house they were building. That's an important house, isn't it? Oh, and it's got the star up there. All grateful for this special day and helpful friends at work and play, for all that's given and received and all that's blessed this Christmas Eve. Shh, all the trucks are tucked in tight. Merry Christmas and good night. The end. I hope you enjoyed that story. Good night, sleep tight, and happy dreams. Bye now.